Hello, my name is Dr. Srikanth V. I am a practicing plastic and cosmetic surgeon. I practice at Manipal Hospital and at Clinique Belle at Bangalore. What are the non-surgical treatments for hair fall? Not all patients with hair fall need surgery, especially so when it comes to women. There are many things that we can take care of which will reduce the hair fall and protect the hair that we have, and some of the hair that will make it look even better. To give you an example, using of solutions of minoxidil, biotin tablets will help the hair to grow a little thicker, stronger. The next thing you need to do is you should remember that you should never shampoo your hair daily. Try to keep it about twice a week. Water wash frequently is alright, but a scalp was never built for using chemicals daily. So try to avoid them as much as possible. The other thing that can be done is to normalize your vitamin D levels, your B8 levels, control your stress levels. There are different ways of controlling stress like diet, exercise, yoga, meet a life coach. So all these things will help to reduce your hair fall. There are some minimally invasive things like PRP. Now, platelet-rich plasma is something that is not surgery. What we do here is to collect some blood from you, concentrate the plasma, concentrate the platelet-rich plasma and inject it back into the scalp. This is believed to contain certain chemicals which will augment hair growth. It prolongs the lifespan of the hair. It makes each hair follicle look thicker, and therefore you have a head full of hair. The other thing that can be done, especially if it is for a temporary fix like a function, or if you want to go just for a day or so, or for a photo shoot, you can use some of these artificial fibers which are temporary. These will stick to your hair for a few hours in a day, finish your event, and then you wash it off and your hair comes back to normal. So not all patients require hair transplant surgery. It is only for a very specific group of people who desire to have natural hair on their head.